Here will be yet another retake of these two modernised Otis Lexan traction lifts at Indooroopilly shopping centre, but not MRLs because there's no logic cabinet in there. Well, we're both on level 3, but this one is going down. Oh, blue. Which one could it be? They're both on 3. I reckon it'll be this one. Or it's this one. Going up. Actually, yeah, it's this one. Take a look at the shaft. It's nice up there. We'll do a cab view. Dewhurst ECD dot matrix indicator. You're going down? Yep. Have a great day.
You too. See you later.
See ya. In an emergency, press the alarm button for 5 seconds and wait for voice communication. Centre management number 3378 4022, Centre security 0423 674 070. That's level 1. This is level 1.
Oh, this is on Facebook.
Okay. These lifts are as old as the centre, but they got modernised into Dewhurst. But it's not replaced because the cab is still exactly the same. All the different, I have no idea what the old fixtures were, but they were definitely Lexans. Could be square Lexan, could be pre-Lexan, it could be another type of Lexan. But it got modernised in I suspect about the time I was born. That's when it might have got modernised. That's just a guess. Stopping at 5. You're going down?
Yeah.
How are you doing, Jessie?
It's Jessa.
Oh, Jessa.
Yeah, how are you?
Good, I nearly called you Jessie.
That's okay.
Stopping at 4. video surveillance and use on these premises. There's no cameras in here, obviously. There should be. Like they should put a camera up there.
Can I push? Sorry, push it. Push it! Push it. Dad tells you to push it. You have to push it when Dad tells you to push it. Mimi, stop doing this.
And it's nearly Christmas time. It's nearly Christmas. And these are not MRLs because I'll show you on level 6. Because there's no logic cabinet anywhere in these lifts. But the rest of the lifts here are MRLs, not these ones. Actually, we'll go to one and end the video. And before I end the video, I want to show you something. This brick wall forms part of the original Indooroopilly shopping centre, opened 8th of July 1970. And that's it.